Page 227 and page 228 are all about quadrilaterals, four-sided figures. The questions on 227 is just to recognize which of these four rectangular figures is either a parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, or square. And some of them fall in multiple categories, so there's just not one right answer. On page 228, the questions that you will need to answer have to refer back, unfortunately, to 227. So again, which of these figures would you consider a rectangle? And questions like, are all squares rectangles? That's a good question. These are good test questions for this section. But go ahead and answer all these questions. Answers are in the back of the book, and we're moving on to perimeter and circumference.